In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language settings in Klaviyo, making your experience more seamless and tailored to your personal preferences. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to customize your interface, this tutorial will make things a breeze. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're on the dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the name of your organization prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so will trigger a pop-up menu to appear, offering various options related to your account settings and preferences. Within this pop-up menu, you'll want to locate and select the option labeled Settings. This will transport you to a new page where you can make adjustments to your account, ensuring everything is set up just the way you like it. It's important to note that these settings are where you can tweak a bunch of different personalizations, so feel free to explore these options later if you want to customize other aspects of your account. Once you're on the settings page, look towards the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the tab labeled Personal. This section is all about your individual preferences, including language and regional settings, which is exactly what we're after today. Now, scroll down until you reach the section that says Personal Language and Regional Format. This area houses the controls for changing the language of your Klaviyo interface. It's designed to make sure your user experience reflects your preferred language, which can be incredibly helpful if English isn't your first language or if you simply prefer working in another language. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Language. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with a list of available languages that Klaviyo supports. Browse through the options and select the language that best suits your needs. Remember, changing the language not only modifies the text you see on the platform, but can also impact how information is presented, so choose the one that you're most comfortable with. Once you've made your selection, it's crucial to save your changes. To do this, look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new language settings are applied. This step is vital because if you navigate away from the page without saving, your changes won't take effect, and you'll have to repeat the process. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language settings in Klaviyo. If you need to switch languages again in the future, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Customizing your Klaviyo experience to fit your preferences can make navigating the platform much more intuitive and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.